Stay tuned to see how I created my own phone lanyard. So I had a previous coworker of mine that actually gave me a lot of DIY supplies, including really pretty decorative beads. And so I wanted to try to create my own using the supplies that I had at home. So I am just taking another one decorative beads that I wanted to just kind of utilize some of the supplies that she had provided.
Color,
Or it's really
straight
clear
through
crystal
the
looking one, and then I
on the
also
phone
have
case.
a silvery looking set of beads as well that I thought matched perfectly. And then I'm going to just begin by stringing them onto the necklace cord. And luckily these have, even though the holes are very tiny, the cord that I'm using is stiff enough to go through each of the holes. And in just a moment you'll see me actually be on camera to show you how to thread it through. And really the process is extremely simple. You're just going to continue to thread your beads onto the necklace cord until you have whichever pattern you desire. And of course you can use different colored beads. You can have any color wave that you want. These are very versatile, and that's what I really enjoyed about being able to make this one. And so I am going to go through and just alternate putting on the kind of glass cloudy colored beads and the silvery beads until I add, enough that I really like how it's looking. And then I also set aside some of the letter beads as well, and it just spells out faithful, and I had one that has a heart on it. So I'm just going to continue to add these onto the necklace cord, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now it's time to close up the lanyard, and they have this little clasp at the end. Now I actually put this on incorrectly. I did go back to fix it, but there is a small hole at the bottom of that opening. You're actually going to thread your necklace cord through and then close the clasp. And it should not look like this, but it should actually be going through that little shell clasp. And this is the final product with our phone lanyard. I think it is adorable. I love customized items, and with the amount of beads that she gave, I actually could create a lot of phone lanyards. Or I could even delve into making jewelry. I have a lot of pieces in there that I've seen that would make really pretty hair barrettes or even necklaces, anklets, bracelets. And so just let me know if you guys would like to see me create any of those pieces as well. And then I just wanted to show you the two ways that you can attach it to the phone case. You could either go ahead and attach it to the phone case as you would a necklace using the ring hole clasp, or you could even go ahead and thread the necklace cord through the phone like you would any other lanyard, and then do a slip knot basically, and it would just cross over and attach securely that way. And then you just would slip it on your wrist and be able to carry your phone. Of course, I can't show you what it looks like with my phone in it because I am using it to record, but I really like how this came out. I think it's so pretty and very unique. I love the beads, and I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if I should add these to my Etsy shop. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, share with a friend, and turn on that bell for notifications. And join me again next Tuesday for another DIY. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. I love you guys. Bye.